Ace the beauty game with these makeup trends for another lockdown season. Stepping out without a mask is a big no-no. If you think that hampers your beauty game, think again. Let your eyes do all the talking, while your lips are hidden behind protective layers. Here are some makeup trends that will have you looking and feeling like $1,000,000. Color, plenty. Your eyes are going to be the main focus with the lips covered by the must-use mask. So having the peepers look bright and beautiful is key. It's all about the colors this time for eye makeup. And why just opt for one color eyeshadow when you can go multicolored? Bring out the bold goddess in you by having the upper eyelid in a bright shade like pink, peach, or even gold, and add color to the lower lid using blue or white eyeshadow. You can also have both the eyelids in the same shade and a contrasting shade on the brow bone, the area just below the eyebrows. Graphic and textured. With eyes doing all the talking in makeup this season, graphic designs are making their rounds. Bold geometric eyeliner styles are welcome, as are printed designs like animal print in vogue for eye makeup. Using neon shades in such makeup will give a new dimension. Glossy smoke. Smoky eyes have always been in trend. Why not add gloss to add some drama? Blend over the gloss on your eyeshadow over the lash line. Instead of doing dark smoky eyes, use bright eyeshadow shades like pink, electric blue, red or even gold. The latter two work well for weddings. For a little subtle vibe, use bright pastel shades. Structured brows. Look beyond the thin curved eyebrows. It's time to style your eyebrows to match your face shape. A heart-shaped face is best suited to don a pair of softly arched brows, while a square-shaped face needs highly curved brows and fuller brows with sharp arches that go well with a round face. Instead of opting for the typical black brow liner, match the color with your hair color, and if you want to go totally quirky, match the shade to your eyeshadow. Blush and prime. While most of your cheeks would be covered too, you need to get your foundation on point. Add some color to your cheeks, pink is in. And you're ready. Don't opt for glossy skin, opt for a matte foundation that looks natural. Lips on mute. Lips are not visible with masks on. But that doesn't mean you should totally ignore them. They too need some TLC. Ensure you exfoliate them to not let them dry and become cracked. Ensure you use a hydrating lip balm at all times. You can use a colored balm if you like to make the lips pop. Why? Because we don't do makeup to show others but for ourselves, to make us feel good, don't we?